Hey there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am not making a card, but sharing with you some super cute new things just released from Heffy Doodle. They're tiny, they're cute, they're pretty, they're shiny, and one of them I'm super excited about because it's so adorable. So I'm gonna show you this new product, how it works, and let you see it in action. And then I'll show you the other new shiny fun things and something that is back in stock that is my favorite. So let's jump in and get started. All right, the first thing I cannot wait to show you in this mini release is this new mini paper trimmer. Oh my word, Heffy Doodle did such a good job with this cute little trimmer. Let's open it up and take a close-up look. Okay, so here we have our little paper trimmer. In total, the size is about 8 inches long by 5 inches wide. And it has the metric and imperial measurements. I love that. It has a clear ruler, so you can use the measurements on here as well. It lifts up like this, and you've got your little blade. And one thing I love about this trimmer is the blade is not actually hitting anything. It's just a groove there. So it's only going to cut your paper, and nothing down there is going to help, you know, dull the blade. So there also is replacement blades that you can get, and it comes with one replacement blade and one scoring blade. So the scoring blade is white. You can see the difference on the little ends there. This one is pointed for cutting, rounded for scoring, and there is a little groove. Let me show you right here. That's where you're going to put your blade when you want to switch it out. So we're going to come down to that groove and lift it up a little bit, and then you should easily be able to drop in your scoring blade just like that. So it does take like a little kind of getting used to, but once you find that spot, it's really easy to do. So you got your replacement blades. The other thing, you can see how this is like not moving on my glass mat. It has these little rubbery feet on the bottom, so it really is going to hold in place. The cutting length is, or width is 3 inches by 6 inches. So it's really like a little travel trimmer, one you can just keep on your desk. I mean, you could almost put this thing in your pocket. It's so cute. So that is the new paper trimmer. So let's cut some paper. I just had this little scrap on my desk. I don't know about you, but my desk frequently has little scraps on it. So you can cut your little tiny strips. You can cut out your little sentiment strips. It has a nice lip here that holds your paper, and the directions on the back of the packaging do say it helps if you hold down this a little bit when you're cutting. So I'm going to kind of get used to doing this L, holding down my paper and the bar a little bit. So yeah, I find it very easy to use, and I'm going to keep it on my desk and try to use it. And yeah, in future videos, I'll just let you guys know what I think about the mini trimmer, but it's so cute. I love it. And you know, I love mini things, mini meaning tiny. You've probably seen me already use this mini die cut machine, also by Heffy Doodle. You can see how these match and how they're great for travel. This slides off. Yeah, it does. I just haven't slid it off in a long time. And then slides back on, so you've got this nice base. And again, this is, you know, gonna stay. Now, this is great for travel. I keep it right on my desk. I can't get it right in. There we go. And then it has its cutting plates here. And the cutting plates are about 3.5 inches, 3 1/4 by 6 1/4. So they're just a little bit bigger. They're really great for die cutting. You know, like if you stamp a little teddy bear or something and you want to die cut it out. This is the perfect size for that. And it's so compact, I can have it right on my desk. But it die cuts really well. You can see it even has the perforated lines there. So I love this machine. I keep it on my desk. I use it all the time, and it's back in stock at Heffy Doodle, so you can get yours. now, and the replacement plates are available like that. So that's super exciting. Okay, speaking of so exciting, we have 6 new Sequin Mixes at the Heffy Doodle shop, and these are pre-mixed, different sizes, different colors, all in one pack. So they're ready to go right into your shaker, and they give you a lot of that variety, but they're so shiny and so gorgeous. So we have our Pixie Hollow. You can see the purples and greens and iridescent in there. It is a gorgeous mix. Great for, yeah, little fairy cards. Okay, then we have our Royal Mist. Look at the purple in there. It's so pretty. And then we've got some coppery gold and, yeah, some iridescent in there. That's so pretty. Okay, I love this one, the Pink Fizz. It's got this kind of rosy mauve pink and some gold coppery colors and iridescent clear pieces in there. And you can see there are large sequins and medium and tiny in there. Cool. Okay, truly outrageous. Look at this one. It's so 80s with the hot pink and the purple, the gold in there. There's like a white pearl. Very cool. Then we have Unicorn Dreams. I'm loving this mix. Pink, purple, green, iridescent, some kind of metallic colors when you move it around. And again, you've got the tiniest little sequins in there and then some larger ones. And then last but not least, look at this one, Cove Sea. Great for underwater cards, but oh my goodness, what beautiful colors. I love it. So you will see these in my video in upcoming shaker cards. I'm super excited about these. Also, if you buy all of the Sequin Mixes together, you get a little bit of a discount, a savings. It's like 21% off. Anyways, they're available at Heffy Doodle. Now, Heffy Doodle is located in Scotland and they do ship to the US. So be sure to go check them out. I'll have them linked for you below, and you can find all of the things I shared today in the shop. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really love sharing all of these things with you that I love and my creations with you. So thank you for stopping by. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You know I love chatting with you and hearing from you guys. So what do you think of this adorable new trimmer? Would that be something that would be handy and convenient for you? Let me know, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.